Arizona's MVD just sent me this letter saying that this is what you need to do when you get pulled over. Keep in mind, not a single thing on this list says you ever need to admit to drinking. You never need to tell the police where you're coming from, where you're going. The list says follow all instructions the officer gives you or your passengers, which is in reference to giving over your driver's license, your insurance, your registration. And then again, of course, here at the bottom, it also says to exit the vehicle if the officer does ask you to do that. That's literally all that means. You don't have to do any of these other things that these officers ask you to do, especially after you get out of the vehicle here in Arizona. You do not have to do any of the field sobriety tests. There's nothing bad that happens if you say no to it. And what you should really be saying is that you also want a lawyer. Whether you have a lawyer to call or not, you need to say the magic words, I want a lawyer. And then they're going to arrest you pretty much no matter what, because they believe that you're under the influence, or else they wouldn't have asked you to get out of the car anyways. And then they're going to take you to the station. And at the station, or the DUI van, that's when you do need to give your blood or your breath with the big intoxilizer machines like the size of a microwave. Because if you say no to that at the station or the DUI van, then they will suspend your license for 1 entire year. Again, I love these instructions. Not a single one there says to call a lawyer or even ask for a lawyer. Ultimately, again, you don't have to tell the police really anything that's going on about your night. Just provide them the insurance information, your license, your registration, and let them give you a ticket. You can't talk your way out of this stuff, especially if they ask you to step out of the car.